Hi, you are watching University of Universe. Let's start. What happened to Tesla's solar division? Not long ago, Tesla's solar energy generation was seen as a key pillar of the company's business model. Yet today, despite Tesla's rapid growth in size and market value, its solar efforts seem to have dwindled significantly. Uncovering the reasons behind this decline turned out to be more complex than expected, shedding light on the challenges Tesla faces in the solar industry. It's far from as simple as it might seem. Throughout 2023, Tesla consistently attributed the decline in solar deployments to factors beyond its control. In Q1, it blamed volatile weather and supply chain issues, in Q2, rising interest rates, in Q3, the end of net metering in California, and in Q4, a combination of high interest rates and seasonal drops in solar panel sales during fall and winter. By early 2024, Tesla's earnings reports underwent a significant change. The solar deployed in megawatts line, once a regular feature, disappeared. The last report in Q4 2023 showed solar deployment nearing zero, and by Q1 2024, specific solar highlights were removed from the quarterly summary. Instead, solar was mentioned briefly as a factor reducing energy profits, which were largely driven by Megapack deployments, Tesla's booming grid-scale energy storage business. After that, solar was relegated to minor mentions in financial reports, which revealed a steady decline in solar-related assets and negative cash flow for the division. This raises questions. Did Tesla abandon solar? Was it a failed endeavor, or is there more beneath the surface? In theory, Tesla should be performing better in this sector, especially considering its significant investment. Back in 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity. SolarCity, founded in 2006 by Elon Musk's cousins Peter and Lyndon Rive, had been relatively successful until the acquisition. Although Musk didn't technically found SolarCity, he played a crucial role by providing the idea, initial funding, and serving as chairman of the board. Despite this strong start, Tesla's solar ambitions have faltered, leaving many wondering where things went wrong. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity for $2.6 billion, a move that stirred significant controversy. While speculation ran rampant, the Delaware Supreme Court ruled in June 2023 that Elon Musk did not pressure Tesla's board into overpaying for the acquisition. The court closed the case, determining the deal was legal, though not without controversy. Following this ruling, Tesla's Q4 2023 report appeared to be the last time the company provided a detailed update on its solar division. So, did Tesla abandon solar? Not quite. In fact, they've done the opposite. Over the past year, Tesla released 4 high-production value marketing videos on their YouTube channel promoting Tesla Solar, often paired with their Powerwall energy storage system. This shows a continued effort to market and sell solar products. However, a curious detail stands out. In the 3 most recent videos, Tesla featured conventional rooftop solar panels rather than the Tesla Solar Roof. This shift contrasts with Elon Musk's initial vision during the SolarCity acquisition. Back then, he showcased innovative solar panels designed to resemble traditional roofing shingles, positioning them as a game-changing product that would accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. However, at the time of the announcement, the product was more concept than reality. Although Tesla eventually developed the solar roof, manufacturing it at scale has proven challenging. Musk frequently emphasizes that it's easy to build a product at a high cost and low volume, but mass production at a competitive price is the real challenge. While Tesla's solar roof is highly praised by those who have it, deployment remains limited. Estimates suggest that fewer than 10,000 homes have been outfitted with the product, possibly due to availability and cost issues. In July 2023, Tesla settled a $6 million class action lawsuit brought by solar roof customers after unexpected price hikes on pre-existing contracts, further complicating their solar narrative. Many Tesla solar roof customers are still waiting for their installations, with some seeing their quoted prices nearly double, understandably leading to frustration. According to lawsuit documents, over 8,500 customers were affected by the 2021 price hike. While it's unclear what percentage of total orders this represents, it shows there was considerable demand at the time. The same lawsuit revealed that more than 6,300 customers canceled their contracts due to the price increases. Elon Musk attributed the issue to miscalculations in assessing construction complexities, explaining to investors that some roofs are 2 or 3 times easier than others. Roofs with numerous protrusions or structural issues could result in costs being double or even triple the initial quote. Tesla's latest promotional push for the solar roof came in December 2023, featuring a high-production video showcasing the product in a new housing subdivision where solar roofs and power walls were integrated during construction, a strategy that seems ideal for such a complex product. As for conventional solar panels, speculation arose that Tesla was focusing on large-scale industrial solar installations on its own facilities, such as Giga Texas, Giga Nevada, and Giga Buffalo, as well as supercharger stations with solar canopies. However, it turns out these installations aren't Tesla solar products but are supplied by LONGi, a Chinese company and the world's largest manufacturer of solar modules. This reveals a broader issue: China's dominance in the solar industry. It's not just Tesla struggling to compete. Domestic U.S. companies across the board are finding it increasingly difficult to match the scale, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness of Chinese solar manufacturers. This competitive pressure may explain why Tesla appears to be gradually stepping back from the solar market. In recent years, the situation has worsened to the point where the U.S. government increased tariffs on Chinese solar panels from 25% to 50%. The initial tariff had little impact on curbing the influx of foreign-made solar products. Manufacturing solar equipment in China is approximately 55% cheaper than in the U.S., making it difficult for domestic companies to compete. Say what you will about Joe Biden, I'm Canadian, so I'm impartial, but his administration has prioritized reshoring critical infrastructure manufacturing, including batteries, solar panels, and microchips, from Asia back to North America. While this strategy has been relatively successful for batteries and chips, it hasn't had the same effect on solar panels. Chinese manufacturers have circumvented tariffs by shifting production to third-party countries like Malaysia, Cambodia, Thailand, and Vietnam, which together accounted for 84% of U.S. solar panel imports by the end of 2023. Tesla has not been immune to these challenges. The company does not produce its own photovoltaic cells. Although its solar roof tiles and other solar products are assembled at the Buffalo, New York, factory, the cells themselves are sourced from China or other Southeast Asian countries. Each tariff increase further squeezes Tesla's profit margins in the solar division. This is particularly unfortunate given SolarCity's initial vision for American solar manufacturing. Before Tesla's acquisition, SolarCity planned to make its Buffalo facility a hub for solar panel production. After acquiring high-efficiency solar module manufacturer Solivo, SolarCity partnered with Panasonic to scale production, aiming for a 1 gigawatt annual capacity by 2019. This would have been the largest solar plant in the U.S., creating nearly 1,500 manufacturing jobs. However, after Tesla took over, the plan shifted. While some solar panel production occurred in Buffalo, it was limited, with Panasonic contributing about 400 employees. Tesla also began using the facility to build prefabricated supercharger stations. By late 2018, there were around 800 total employees, far short of the 1,500 job target New York State expected when it funded the factory's construction. New York State warned Tesla that it might begin reclaiming its investment if the promised job creation didn't materialize. In 2020, Panasonic pulled out of the Buffalo factory, relocating its solar manufacturing operations and 400 employees to Malaysia. To meet the state's requirement of 1,500 jobs, Tesla increased the headcount at Buffalo, but much of this was achieved by relocating a significant portion of its autopilot division there. Employees were tasked with manually labeling video files for AI training. Additionally, Tesla plans to install a large Dojo supercomputer cluster at the Buffalo facility in the near future. While Tesla Solar isn't dead, it's far from thriving. The division hasn't met the high expectations set in 2016 and 2017. Is this disappointing? Yes. But it's not catastrophic. Tesla has invested heavily in diversifying its business, expanding from electric vehicles into charging infrastructure, battery storage, solar energy, autonomous taxi services, AI, robotics, and more. No company can excel in everything, and solar hasn't panned out, at least not yet. However, Tesla plays the long game, and the future remains open. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, and if you're new, please subscribe and turn the notification button on so you don't miss our future videos.